This February 9th, the Battleground Schools community will be asked to consider a replacement levy at a lower tax rate. This is not a new tax, but a replacement for a levy set to expire at the end of 2021. In fact, to provide pandemic relief to the community, the district will dip into its rainy day fund to decrease the tax rate by about 22% in the first year of the replacement levy. That means Battleground school tax rates will decrease from $2.50 in 2020 to an estimated $1.95 per $1,000 of assessed property value in 2022, and will remain at $2.20 for the following 3 years. What exactly is a levy? Levy dollars make up the difference between what the state provides for K-12 education and what it actually costs to prepare students for today's careers. The levy funds a wide range of educational needs and provides students with technology, advanced placement classes, a variety of electives, and valuable programs such as music, arts, and athletics. The levy also pays for building maintenance and supplies that the state does not cover. Much of what the levy pays for is people. In many cases, the state funds fewer people than the district needs to support both academics and social-emotional learning. Battleground's levy provides an additional 260 positions above what the state funds. For example, the state pays for less than 2 nurses for 18 schools and provides funding for less than 1 full-time school psychologist for the entire district. The levy ensures each student receives the support they need from qualified professionals. The levy also pays for 30 teaching assistants who help students in the classroom. Battleground provides 4 times more on-campus security personnel than the state funds and twice the technical support staff. Athletic coaches and activity advisors are also funded through levy dollars. The Battleground School District prides itself on being fiscally resourceful. While other districts have multiple levies, Battleground has just one levy that covers all essential programs. The district has the lowest K-12 school tax rates in Clark County, all while providing a variety of programs and opportunities that empower students to reach their potential. The district supports students by providing flexible learning options, traditional school, a rigorous academy, and at-home and online learning options. Battleground prioritizes technical education and has equipped every student with a personal computing device. During the pandemic, the district has provided internet access to more than 1,000 of its students at their homes. If the replacement levy doesn't pass, the district will have to cut $14 million from the 2021 to 2022 budget and make even more cuts in the following years. Levy dollars are essential to connect every student to a positive future. For more information about the levy, visit www.battlegroundps.org/levy or call the district office at 360-885-5300. Please remember to vote on February 9th.